who's winning, what matters to you in this election as an issue?
Um, there is no other choice but our current Prime Minister who gets the vote
Okay.
because I don't think we have a very strong opposition right now to give him competition and the kind of work he's doing.
We are at Mumbai's legendary Anand stall. I have been told on very sort of trusted recommendation that this is the best vada pav, not just in Mumbai, but in the country. Anand stall is famous for many things, including its 50 types of dosa. But this is where you come if you want to taste the original vada pav. And you can see here on the street, it's close to Mithibai College. And a lot of young people, but people from all walks of life, come here to savor the vada pav. And in fact, if the camera comes right here, and you come a little closer, you can see the vada pav being prepared. That's the batata being prepared here, there, and it's going to be carried this side. And what makes it really special is the generous amount of butter and the secret sauce in the green chutney that is actually put in the vada pav here, and it's being parceled with assembly line efficiency. वो देखिए कितना मक्खन लगा रहे हैं. That makhan and that killer chutney is kind of what makes it special. And before we get to talking about elections, I think I should ask people here what makes a vada pav so special. Hi sir, my name is Barkha. I'm from Delhi. ये वड़ा पाव का खास बात क्या है यहाँ?
बॉम्बे का वड़ा का हुआ.
मुझे कोई बोला दिल्ली से आए हो तो ये वाला वड़ा पाव खा के जाना है.
बॉम्बे का वड़ा पाव फेमस है.
पर ये आनंद जी का वड़ा पाव में खास
आनंद
बात
जी का
है.
आनंद जी का
तो
वड़ा पाव नहीं, सब फेमस है.
इसमें अलग क्या बात? आनंद जी तो फेमस है और आनंद जी से अभी बात करूंगी, पर इसमें क्या है अलग बात?
इसमें अलग बात तो मेरे को तो मजा आता है वड़ा पाव खा के. बॉम्बे का वड़ा पाव खाया.
इसमें क्या चटनी अलग है?
चटनी का
और
टेस्ट अलग. मक्खन.
हाँ?
यस.
अच्छा, तो आई वांट टू लेट यू एंजॉय योर वड़ा पाव. यहाँ पे पार्सल भी हो रहा है, पीछे बस ताजा यहाँ पे पाव बन रहा है. और ये है फेमस यहाँ के आनंद जी. और जैसे कि अभी आपने सुना, उन्होंने कहा वड़ा पाव तो फेमस है पर आनंद जी भी फेमस है. तो आनंद जी से बात करते हैं. नमस्कार सर, मेरा नाम बरखा है, मैं दिल्ली से आई हूँ. बहुत सुना आपके बारे में. यहाँ आप कब से?
अब तो ये 60-80 से.
इतना साल हो गया?
83 है. अब मेरा तो 83 से आया हम लोग.
अच्छा, और यहाँ वड़ा पाव बेटर है कि डोसा बेटर है?
फर्स्ट वड़ा पाव नंबर 1.
फर्स्ट वड़ा पाव. लेकिन यहाँ 50 टाइप्स ऑफ डोसा बनता है.
हाँ, 63 है.
63. There are 63 types of dosa. Can you tell me some famous ones?
जीनी, पनीर चिल्ली, पिज्जा डोसा. अच्छा है.
पिज्जा डोसा.
पिज्जा, जीनी, पनीर चिल्ली.
ये जीनी में क्या डलता है?
जीनी में अनियन, टमाटर, कैप्सिकम. जी सर.
यहाँ पे मंचूरियन डोसा भी है, पिज्जा डोसा भी है, जीनी डोसा भी है, और पता नहीं क्या क्या और है. आनंद जी,
पनीर चिल्ली, मंचूरियन, मैसूर मसाला सब है.
There's a मैसूर मसाला तो ठीक है.
बास्ता मिलेगा, बास्ता.
63 types of dosas. This is making my head spin. अच्छा आनंद जी, मैं अभी आके आपसे वापस बात करती हूँ. अभी आपके कस्टमर से बात करूंगी. Hi, what do you like best here?
Vada pav.
Yeah, because I think I'd go for the classic vada pav.
Actually, I have came specially from Gujarat.
Oh, you're from Gujarat?
Yes, from Gujarat.
मैं तो आपको चुनाव का यहाँ का पूछने वाली थी. आपका वोट गुजरात डलता है?
Yes, ma'am.
So who's winning in Gujarat?
Definitely Modi.
So गुजरात में तो मोदी जी all the way. I'm going to let you enjoy your vada pav. Hi, are you also from Gujarat?
Yes.
Okay, are you also from Gujarat?
Yes.
You're wearing matching t-shirts. Are you
Yes.
mother and daughter?
Yes.
So of course this is going to be a BJP Modi ji supporter.
Yes.
Okay. So here you have people from Gujarat who have come to the famous Anand stall to eat their vada pav. And look what it's called here. It's called the Pav Wow Festival. So this is, you can only find this in Mumbai. Let's talk to a few other people here also. मुझे ये मक्खन देख के ही कुछ हो रहा है. Let me see if I can get a few young people here. Hi, are you on the phone?
Yeah.
Can I talk to you for a minute?
Yeah, sure. Mom, I just call you later.
Hi, Mom. Sorry to disturb your daughter's call. My name is Barkha. I'm from Delhi.
Yeah. And even I'm from Delhi.
Oh, but you vote here?
No, I'm from Mithibai College. So yeah.
So a lot of outsiders from here because it's a college. Where do you vote?
Vote for.
Do you vote?
No, not yet.
You're not 18.
I am 19, but I haven't got my voter ID yet.
If you could vote, who would you vote for?
That's not something that I would like to.
Okay, what are the issues that are important to young people?
Um,
As a woman, what's important to you?
Basically, safety, something that's really important. And obviously, she's coming from Delhi, so she's something that she has to.
So you're from, I'm also from Delhi.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kanpur, UP.
Okay. So tell me, what's important to young women?
Of course, there's safety. Of course, there's rights, a lot of things, and we want women empowerment at the same time. So all of these things are important in today's generation. So these are to be considered.
Do you vote?
I haven't voted yet.
Okay,
I'm 19, but
I really hope that you girls vote, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to let you enjoy now and not come in the way. But let's also talk to a few other people here. Oh my God, your plate looks very nice.
Yeah, but it's very yummy and very
Yeah.
one of the popular.
Can you show हमारे कैमरा को दिखाइए
Sure,
ना?
sure,
ये
sure.
क्या है?
This is cheese grill sandwich. This is one of the best at Anand Vada Pav.
अरे आनंद वड़ा पाव में और क्या मिलता है?
See, I was in Mithi Bai college only.
Okay.
So जब से मैं college में पढ़ती थी तब से I used to eat vada pav. Dosa is amazing. Ginny or dosa is out of the world.
What is a ginny dosa?
Ginny dosa, cheese, then paneer and lot of things, but it's must have.
अभी मैं जा रही हूँ वहीं
You
पे.
should.
What's your
actually-
name, ma'am?
Bindi.
Bindi, tell me, do you vote in Mumbai?
Yes.
Who's winning?
Of course, Modi Sarkar. हर बार मोदी सरकार. Not अब की बार, हर बार.
ये कहती है हर बार मोदी सरकार. बहुत बड़ी फैन है आप.
बहुत बड़ी.
सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद है प्रधानमंत्री के बारे में?
See, he's a very humble man, very nice man. और जब से वो आए हैं सत्ता में, तब से he has done lot of things.
Okay.
Which is and सबसे बेस्ट, अगर मोदी जी नहीं होते तो कोरोना के बाहर हम इतना जल्दी नहीं आते. लाइक दूसरी आई डोंट थिंक सो और कोई इतनी अच्छी तरीके से वो सिचुएशन को हैंडल कर सकता था.
अच्छा एक बात बताइए, हम महाराष्ट्र में है, यहाँ पे शिवसेना भी स्प्लिट हुई.
Yes.
उद्धव ठाकरे के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
नो कमेंट्स.
No comment. Full Modi fan, हाँ? Okay, we let you enjoy your sandwich. अब डोसा की इतनी बात हुई तो डोसा की तरफ चलते हैं. और यहाँ बन रहे हैं, पता नहीं ये क्या डोसा है, ये सर ही हमें बताएंगे. ये क्या डोसा बन रहा है सर?
जैन पनीर चीज मैसूर भाजी.
ये दोबारा बताना, दोबारा धीरे से.
पनीर चीज मैसूर भाजी जैन.
पनीर चीज मैसूर वेजी. और आनंद जी हमें बताए, वो देखिए आनंद जी बहुत बिजी है. आनंद जी हमें बताए यहाँ 63 किस्म का डोसा है. हाँ सर कितना किस्म का डोसा बताओ ना, और कौन सा वैरायटी है?
वैराइटीज बहुत है. पनीर चिली, जीनी, पास्ता, दिल खुश, पिज्जा.
Okay, so sorry, we're spying on people's food. And we've heard.
chili dosa, which is almost over.
Can you please tell me what is this chini? First, can you spell it for me?
It's actually, I really don't know. It's the Gujjus who've invented it. So it's Jinny, sorry. But, she's a Gujju.
So it's spelled genie, but it's pronounced chini.
Yeah,
Kind of.
Jinny. Yeah.
Can you show us what this looks like?
That's how it looks. It has cheese, veggies, some spring onions, and what else?
It's quite a little concoction. Is it tasty?
It is, yeah.
It looks good. So do you vote here?
Yes. Yeah.
And who's winning? What matters to you in this election as an issue?
There is no other choice but our current Prime Minister who gets the vote
Okay.
because I don't think we have a very strong opposition right now to give him competition and the kind of work he's doing.
What do you like the best about Prime Minister? And is there any one thing, meanwhile the kids are also getting excited here, but is there any one thing you'd want to actually see him do differently or change? What do you like best and what's the one thing you like to see change?
The best, I think, is the kind of relations we are maintaining and a stand on the international front,
Yeah.
while we're keeping Russia on our side, but still US is with us. So I think that makes a whole lot of difference. And diplomatically, I think we've become much stronger in the past few years of him being around. I don't think I can point out at one thing that I don't like about Modi ji.
Or something you'd want him to focus more on?
A little
Women?
bit more about Maharashtra.
Tell me about
I
Maharashtra.
feel Maharashtra is getting a little sidetracked with all the political things happening with the Shiv Sena split and all that we know. And now because the government's back, I'm hoping there'll be more development, which I think has lost a little focus from
Okay.
Maharashtra.
So we've got a full-blown Modi fan here who says there really are no other options. Do you agree?
Yes, 100% I agree.
Do you vote in Maharashtra and Gujarat?
I will be voting in Maharashtra.
Okay, and what do you like about the Prime Minister? This is a state also which has other parties, Shiv Sena split, NCP split. It's a very difficult state to predict.
Yeah.
What do you think about all these splits?
See, finally, whatever they do, and at the end of the day, Modi is going to get it, on a one side, and it is going to be a one-side thing. So
You think it's going to be one-sided?
That's
Okay.
it.
Okay, the kids are enjoying themselves. Hello, you want to do a little dance? Come on, let's go for it. अभी अब मैं आ गई तो अभी कुछ नहीं. Huh? Okay. So the kids are getting excited, and this is also some sort of. ये कौन सा डोसा है सर?
पनीर चिली, पनीर चीज मैसूर,
है?
पनीर चीज मैसूर भाजी.
ये पनीर चीज मैसूर भाजी है. यहाँ 63 किस्म का डोसा है और वड़ा पाव तो वड़ा पाव भी कितना किस्म का है?
बहुत किस्म का
जैसे एग्जाम्पल
जाकमन वड़ा पाव
you will tell us. 1 minute. How many?
13 vada pav.
There are 13 types of vada pav. And you all, oh my god, there is a, help me, but there is a Szechuan grill vada pav, there is a Szechuan cheese grill vada pav, there's a mayonnaise vada pav, there's a mayo cheese Szechuan grill vada pav. But I think it would make sense to stick to the original. Hello sir, मेरा नाम बरखा है, मैं दिल्ली से आई हूँ. वड़ा पाव कौन सा फेवरेट है आपका?
यहाँ पर मैक्सिमम बटर वड़ा पाव,
बटर वाला ना. मैं भी यही कह रही कि ओरिजिनल ही चलेगा.
ओरिजिनल बटर.
सर चुनाव में कौन जीत रहा है?
मोदी जी.
आप किसके फैन हैं?
मोदी जी के.
और महाराष्ट्र में जो बाकी पार्टीज है, शरद पवार, उद्धव, उनका क्या होगा?
सब सो जाएंगे, घर पर चले जाएंगे.
खो जाएंगे?
खो जाएंगे.
उनके लिए कोई सिंपैथी फैक्टर है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं है.
हाँ?
बिल्कुल नहीं है.
बिल्कुल नहीं है.
नहीं.
तो आप मोदी जी के फैन हैं?
हाँ जी.
अच्छा, अभी यहाँ आनंद जी से भी पूछते हैं. आनंद जी 63 टाइप्स ऑफ डोसा, 13 टाइप्स ऑफ वड़ा पाव. सर जीतने कौन वाला है इलेक्शन?
वो तो उतना तो मालूम नहीं मैडम.
आप कहाँ वोट डालते हैं?
मेरा तो इधर नहीं है, मेरा तो साउथ में वोट.
So this is a great Bombay story. आप कहाँ से हैं सर?
चेन्नई.
So Anand ji is from Chennai, hitting it big in the heart of Mumbai, and you can see that there are even Zomato orders from here. इनसे भी बात करते हैं. Hello sir.
Yes.
मैं बरखा हूँ, मैं दिल्ली से आई हूँ, मैं जर्नलिस्ट हूँ. आप यहाँ से आनंद स्टॉल से ऑर्डर लेने आए?
Yes.
अच्छा, यह बहुत पॉपुलर जगह है.
Yes.
अच्छा सर, अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए. आपका नाम?
सुमन कुमार चौधरी.
आप यहाँ पे वोट डालते हैं इस शहर में?
नहीं, मैं तो बिहार से हूँ.
अच्छा, तो कौन जीतने वाला है 2024 का चुनाव?
मोदी ही आएगा.
आप किसको देंगे?
मैं तो मोदी को दूंगा.
क्या पसंद है मोदी जी की सरकार के बारे में?
बहुत काम किए हैं.
जैसे कि सबसे बेस्ट क्या लगता है आपको?
जैसे कि विकास बहुत हुआ है.
आपका? हाँ बोलो.
पहले से ज्यादा विकास हुआ है.
आप कब तक कहाँ तक पढ़ाई किए?
मैं तो 11वीं तक किया हूँ.
और मुंबई क्यों आए?
मुंबई कमाने के लिए आया हूँ.
कमा पा रहे हैं?
यस.
अच्छी कमाई हो रही है?
हाँ यस.
चलो, आपको कौन सा वड़ा पाव पसंद है?
ये तो
आप क्या खाते हैं बेस्ट?
बेस्ट है. हम लोग को लिए तो बड़ा पाव ही चलता है. बड़ा पाव.
अच्छा, मलाई कौन सा?
वही मलाई में.
अच्छा, ओके, थैंक यू. तो यहाँ पे कंप्लीट sort of microcosm of India. There are people from Gujarat, people from Bihar. Anand Stall himself, the owner of the stall, is from Tamil Nadu. यहाँ ऑटो भी खड़े हैं, ऑटो वाले जी से भी बात करते हैं. यहाँ पे आइए ना आप. सर, आपका नाम क्या है?
मनोज साहब.
अच्छा, मैं दिल्ली से आई हूँ. यहाँ पे आनंद स्टॉल में आप भी कभी कुछ खाते हैं?
मैं तो खाते नहीं, लेकिन जितना कस्टमर मिलता है तो मैं इधर लेके आता हूँ.
अच्छा सर, चुनाव में कौन जीतने वाला है?
अपना मोदी जीतेगा. और कौन जीतेगा?
आप किसको देंगे?
मैं मोदी के दूंगा.
और बाकी जो यहाँ पार्टी है, उद्धव, शरद पवार, उनका क्या होगा?
उसका तो मेरे को मालूम नहीं.
और एकनाथ शिंदे जी?
वो भी अच्छा ही है.
वो भी अच्छा है, पर मोदी जी ऑल द वे. हाँ, ओके. अभी यहाँ पे हमारे गार्ड साहब भी है. गार्ड साहब थोड़ा लाइट में आइए ना. आपका नाम क्या है?
लाल बहादुर यादव.
कहाँ से हैं?
यूपी से.
यहाँ बहुत लोग हैं मुंबई में यूपी से.
हाँ, बहुत है.
चुनाव में क्या होने वाला है?
सब अच्छा ही होगा.
किसको देंगे?
वही जिसको आप बोलेंगे उसी को.
मैं कौन होती हूँ आपको बताने वाला?
जिसको देगा सब वही, मैं उसको मैं भी दूंगा.
अच्छा, आपको कौन पसंद?
एकनाथ शिंदे भी चाहिए.
अच्छा, एकनाथ शिंदे भी ठीक है. So clearly we've come to a pocket where the Prime Minister is a major factor. Once again, I want to show you all the good things that are happening in the kitchen here. This is the dosa stall, और यहाँ पर 63 types of dosa है. But it's also a real microcosm of India. There are people from all parts of the country. Sir, आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from?
सिलीगुड़ी, वेस्ट बंगाल.
सिलीगुड़ी. और यहाँ मुंबई में कब से?
2004 से.
अच्छा लगता है मुंबई?
अच्छा लगता है.
और आपका फेवरेट डोसा कौन सा है?
पनीर चिली.
हाँ?
पनीर चिल्ली।
पनीर चिली, पनीर और 63 टाइप का डोसा।
हाँ जी।
63 टाइप का डोसा, पनीर चिली इनका फेवरेट है। और यहाँ पर एंड में कोई अपनी वड़ा पाव का इंतजार कर रहे हैं, तो हम उनसे भी थोड़ा बात करते हैं। अच्छा, ये क्या हो रहा है? ये सर थोड़ा सा बताइए, ये क्या हो रहा है?
ये वड़ा पाव फ्राई हो रहा है।
ये मतलब वड़ा
वड़ा फ्राई हो रहा है, वड़ा फ्राई हो रहा है।
You can see the vadas there being prepared fresh, the legendary vada pav. This is the butter. The butter is said to be the speciality, but there's also grilled sandwiches and huge generous amounts of butter that is put in this bread, and you can see the lines aren't stopping. Maybe I can just end here. Hi.
Hi,
My name is Barkha. I'm from Delhi. Hi.
my name is Jeet.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What do you like eating best here?
So we have come here to eat vada pav.
Is the authentic vada pav the best? Because the others seem a bit, adventurous.
Yeah. So the vada pav is the most.
Do you ever
authentic.
have like the Szechuan vada pav and all?
No, I haven't tried. I
No?
haven't tried.
No,
I
okay.
won't like to do that experiment with vada pav.
Okay, I know. You speak for me. Let me ask you. We're kind of looking at the flavors of this election. What are the issues that matter to you guys?
For the election, so the biggest problem which we are facing right now is the entire Bombay is being dug up. It's very difficult to drive and to take your vehicle
Yeah.
out of on the roads. So if that can be managed properly, because rains are coming nearby, so that would become a very big problem for us. So that is the biggest
Especially
problem.
that the
right now.
monsoons are coming here, it's going to be really tough to drive around. Everywhere it's just dug up. The cars are going to go down potholes. People are going down. It's a mess.
Okay, so infrastructure is what people.
Yeah,
need.
definitely.
Okay, and I've spotted a couple of people here as well. Hi, nice
How
to
are you,
meet
Barkha?
you. This is a good friend of ours, Sujata, right? And so tell us, what's your favorite vada pav here? Tell me that at least.
All of them, and this is my favorite.
But which one do you have? Do you actually try the Szechuan stuff?
No, the simple plain vada pav
Same.
which Bombay has been eating forever and forever.
What about you?
No, I actually have the sandwich.
Which one? The Frankie or the Bombay sandwich?
No, I have a cheese grill sandwich.
Okay. So tell me, we were just going to wrap up, but I've got to ask you, you don't vote here, right? You vote here?
Yes,
Okay, so who do you think is winning?
that's a tough question.
That's a tough question. Are you going to try and answer that for me?
I can't vote here.
Oh, so that's why I wanted to check who's voting where. Okay, if you vote here, what is the one issue that you think should matter to voters?
Pick the right candidate. The issue, I mean, everyone's issues are different. So
What's yours?
Infrastructure.
So that's interesting because the couple we were just talking to also spoke about how infrastructure is top of the pops for them. So we're going to actually say bye here with the kind of mix of voices that we've heard near Mithibai College, the famous Anand stall since 1978, serving everything from 13 kinds of vada pav to 63 kinds of dosas. This has been a very interesting edition of the Dhavas of Democracy, signing off from Mumbai with cameraman Anup Kumar and Vinod Verma to the Motor Story. Namaskar and hello everyone. Welcome to a ride through the heart and the soul of India. क्योंकि जब इलेक्शन सीजन आता है तो कौन जीता, कौन हारा, कौन आगे, कौन पीछे, ये बातचीत तो होती ही रहती है. But it's also a time for travel and meeting people and getting to know your own country better. So, welcome to the Dhavas of Democracy, where every bite tells a story, where every conversation will spice up your day. Experience the masala, the flavor, the swad of this election with us as we take a unique road trip from the south to the north of India, traveling thousands of kilometers to bring you the flavor of this election.